Black forest coconuts.
Really? Black forest, eh? Ano, you wanna try that small?
What's inside?
Oh, you wanna try that? The fruit? Thank you. Hi guys! We are back from another grocery haul. This time I'm gonna show you what we got from Italian Center Shop. So some of them are great ideas this coming Christmas. And they are the panettone bread. This is mascarpone and chocolate panettone. So this is a nice Christmas gift for your family and friends. So we got 3 of them. And there's another bread that it's called pandoro. It's a different flavor naman. It's tiramisu. So this should be good. We also got this biscotti chocolate cookies, and this is priced at $5.69. This should be good. I've heard about this from some vloggers as well. I also got this Sprats and tomato sauce, and this guy here is priced at $6.58. So I hope there's no bones to this, so I can just add it into my pasta and then add some olives to it. So next is the bacala codfish. We got 2. They're priced at $3.29. We also have this Aurora sardines in oil. We also got 2. They are priced at $1.98 each. And also this sardines in tomato sauce with chili pepper. There you go. And then probably you're familiar with this lotus biscuit. This is a nice snack in the mid-afternoon with either coffee or tea. So this is a good one. And since we are at our Italian store, we found this torone or turon. It's a soft nougat, and this has pistachio in it. So this is priced at $4.29. So this should be good as well. We also got a few pasta. The Keko linguine. This is $2.29. And then this De Keko capellini or angel hair pasta. This is $2.29 as well. So next, we got 4 of this ham and cheese croissant. I just want to show you how big this is. We had a few bites already and it's filling actually. It's $2.50 each. I also got 2 bags of pizza dough. They're $1.98 each. I just placed them in my freezer, and then anytime I need to make homemade pizza, well, actually the dough is homemade, or I bought the dough already, but I just put it in the freezer and then I just thaw it and then just make my own sauce or make my own filling for the pizza. Next is this passata strained tomatoes. We got 2. They're also $1.98 each. This is perfect for your eggs in purgatory. I have a video on how to make it in my channel if you're interested to watch it. And then this is tomato paste with basil, and it's in the tube. So I think this is more convenient rather than having it in the can, because sometimes I just throw away the leftover if I forget about it. So at least this one you can control the amount of tomato paste. Okay, and then finally, I'm saving you the best for last. This is from the same store, Italian Center Shop. I'm excited to show you. Ta-da! This is fresh fruit cheesecake. So this should be good. Just look at all the yummy fruits. We have apples and kiwi, strawberries, and I even saw figs over there. There you go. So this is priced at $32.99. This is also a nice idea for Christmas to give to your family or friends. There you go, guys. So I hope you enjoyed our mini haul from Italian Center Shop. Thank you for watching. Bye!